Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe, and this is pancakes with some strawberries. It's such an easy and really delicious recipe and I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need 2 eggs. Then tablespoons, specifically 2, of sugar. Then you have to mix it with a mixer. Then add 200 milliliters of yogurt and mix it. Then add 200 grams of flour and half of a tablespoon of soda and mix it again. It has to have this consistency. Then let's cut some strawberries. Add the mixture into circular forms on a hot pan. I use 1 tablespoon. Then add some strawberries on top. Then flip it. On the other side, it's all done. When they're done, put them into a paper to drain all the oil. You can use some apples or bananas instead of strawberries. You can add some yogurt or some chocolate with it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching!